Here we go, nice big largemouth bass. And this is how you clean a bass. Clean any fish. Mostly bass. Bass have bones right here on their belly. And so a lot of times when you clean fish, you want to come all the way across. Not with largemouth bass. Start here at the head. And you want you a good sharp, thick knife to kind of cut through there. And then you can feel the belly. And you want to cut down the side of the belly. Don't cut into the belly. Cut down. There's a row of bones right here. And then the belly starts turning right at this bottom fin right here. It starts turning right there to the corner. Now, I've cut all the way down to the middle bone. I've cut all the way down to this tailbone. And then you take this big knife and right here along this line, of course, envision your bone in the middle. You can feel it, and you can want to punch through. See there? Punch through the other side, and press down on your knife and let the blade follow that bone right there to the end of the tail. Don't go all the way because you want that tail to help you clean. And then what I do is I come back, and along this top line, I'm just feeling that bone. I'm just feeling that middle bone, and I'm just cutting all the way down the side of it. Now, with a big fish like this, you'll probably have to turn him around. Little fish, you can just cut through on the other side. Now, watch here. I'm just following that bone. Basically, what you're doing is you're taking out that whole tenderloin and a little bit of tail meat, a little bit of meat on the head. A lot of people say, well, that's wasteful. Well, if you want to pick through those bones and pull out about 100 of them, that's fine with me, but I'm not going to. Some people will cut them all the way through, but then they'll cut them out afterwards. All right, so going down that middle bone. See, I was just peeling back. And then, what's that? It just falls out. Lays back, so beautiful. Then that's where you take a sharp fillet knife. This one's 8-inch, 6-inch. Longer is better. Especially with these big fish. But now, see, I got somewhere to grab. And just let your knife do the work. Don't pull on it. Let your knife feel that bottom. And watch it just feel right on through. Nice fish fillet. Nice bass fillet. Do the same thing on the other side.